Oh, he's up. Yeah, he was up on the.
The hell, he has something hanging from his neck for his so big thing. Oh, there's one eating there now.
Is it him? I think it's him.
Go ahead outside, because they don't fly away. Oh, it is him.
Whoa. Who was it?
Look at him, picking him. Those other ones are fighting up there.
He's green on the back and red on the front. I think you need to move the flowers a bit because the actual seats.
I know, I noticed that. I've turned it too much, I know. They still get it, they still eat no matter what.
I don't see. Oh, there he is.
That's a different one.
Whoa.
You know, he's telling them to stay away. This is mine. You stay the hell away from here.
Whoa. Well, they're fighting in the trees.
Yeah.
Wow. I can see a couple of them in the trees.
Yeah. I'm gonna get another feeder.
He's gonna be going back and forth between the two. They're bending it.
Yeah, he'll take over both of them. They do that. Because when I had two of them in the other place.
Oh, there you go.
He thinks he owns the bushes and everything. And these flowers, he don't let him go over here either.
I see him in the tree right now, just sitting on a branch. I got him on the video.
Go close and see if he flies away. He's looking at me. He's looking at me.
Just looking to see what the heck I am.
Mm-hmm. You ever see when they fight, their tail spreads out on the back of the tail? Did you ever see that, Brian?
Yeah.
And they really fight. Oh no, he's back up in the tree.
I can't find him. Maybe I'm too close now.
That's enough.
I don't see them in the trees at
I
all.
see 'em right there. Yeah.
Oh, there they are. Whoa.
Damn. How close that one up?
Yeah, I got that on video too. Oh, I see where they are. They're over there fighting.
There's other one that's over there fighting. No, that one's up in the tree right here. There's a lot of them around here.
Oh, I see them. There's a bird in the tree. Up there. Got on video.
Oh, regular bird?
Yeah. Flew away because the hummingbird.
Oh.
There's 3 of them, what they'll do. They're just fighting it out, any one of us.